and welcome back to Kanji Master. The first kanji we're going to look at today is the kanji for bow, like bow and arrow. This isn't actually probably an N1 kanji, but it makes up a part of a lot of more basic kanji, so I'm just going to learn it. Kind of looks like a bow as well, so that's easy to remember, so why not? The onyo reading is Q, like Kyudo, which means archery, which I'll show you how to draw in a second. The kunyo reading is Yumi, meaning bow, for bow and arrow. Simple to draw, it's just 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. You can sort of, the shape kind of looks like a bow. I mean, that's a traditional bow without that, with the string on the back, obviously. But this kind of looks the same if you're pulling back on your string here. You fire the arrow. There's your arrow. I can't draw arrows, we've been through this before. Anyway, some kanji we can learn. Some words we can write with this kanji. Kyudo, archery. And what else can we draw? Daikyu, like a long bow. Ironically, this actually means bow, like bow and arrow, and also bow, like violin bow. Same word in English and the same kanji in Japanese. There you go. On to the next one. So the next kanji we're going to look at is the kanji for week or weekend. It contains 2 bows, which we just had a look at. So I thought I'd teach this one next. The onyo reading is jaku, like jakuten, meaning weak point. The onyo reading is yowai, meaning weak, or yowaru, to be weak, or yowameru, to weaken. Let's draw it how you think you draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 bows with a bit of ice in it. So if you can imagine you're feeling strong, get your bow back, but you can't pull it because it's basically double thickness. It's got 2 bits of ice in it, and almost like times 2. If you imagine 2 thick bows frozen together, you're feeling strong, but then you have to try and move that. You don't feel strong anymore, so you feel weak. Double bows make you feel weak. On the next one. The next kanji is the kanji for strong, opposite to the one we just learned. Still has the bow element in it. The onyo reading is kyo, like kyoryoku, to strengthen. Go, like goto, like a robber. The kunyo reading is tsioi, meaning strong. Tsuyomeru, to strengthen. Shiru, to coerce. And kowai is like, I'm not sure that's the pronunciation, but it means to be stiff or stubborn. To draw it's pretty simple. It's just 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 elements. It's our cow friend, bow, and a bug. So unlike the last example where there was the two frozen bows, really hard to move. This one's really easy. This is what makes you feel strong. Is your cow friend tries to use it, and he's a cow, so he can't really hold it. Looks ridiculous. So you use the bow and you shoot a bug. It dies really easily. You feel so powerful, so strong. So just remember that. Remember the feeling of being strong. Remember the feeling of being weak. You can try Tsioi Kokoro, like strong of mind and strong of heart. Or Kyoryoku. Cool. On to the next one. The next kanji is the kanji for solution or answer. The onyo reading is to, like seito, meaning correct answer, and the kunyomi reading is kotaeru or kotae, meaning to answer or answer. Just draw it's pretty simple. It's just bamboo. Top of to suit. So you guys remember that kanji, to suit? Cool. So the question is, what suits me? What suits me? And your friend says his answer, his solution, is to stick 2 pieces of bamboo in your hat. That's a solution. The solution is bamboo. You say that's seto, the correct answer. You look amazing with your new bamboo in your hat. Everyone's stoked. On to the next one. Next kanji we're going to look at is the kanji for change or ization. Onyo reading is ka, like kagaku, meaning chemistry, and the kunyo reading is bakeru, like meaning to change or to transform. To It's really simple. If you're thinking this looks familiar, it's very familiar because it's the same as flower minus the flower part. Potentially you could think of this, if you can remember flower, maybe this is sort of chemistry or something like that, which this can be used in chemistry. Changes a flower, which was a guy with a spoon inside the flower. Maybe this changes him into a full-size man, so he's no longer in the flower. So he's changed, growing and exploding and expanding. There you go. This is also kanji for bunka, culture. That's it. On to the next one. And the last kanji for today is a kanji for branch or division. One kanji refers to this as science as well. So is that. The onyo meridian is ka. To draw it is just pine tree. This one. Now one kanji refers to this right section here. One kanji again, of course, as chopsticks. You can imagine two chopsticks grabbing some grains of rice. In this instance, because we're talking about science, let's imagine instead of rice, it's picking some sort of bacteria off this tree. Science, kagaku. Also got Hyoka Sho, textbook. And what else we got? Oh, you can also do Gekka, meaning surgery. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining us for Kanji Master. See you guys again tomorrow.